In the next part of the exercise, we're going to be sending our data to Power BI, and there are two things we'll be doing here. First of all, we'll be creating a data set in Power BI, which is going to store all of our survey results. Next, we're going to head over into Power Automate to build what we call a flow. This flow is going to collect our survey results and then run the process of sending it to this data set we've created in Power BI. At the end, this is where we're going to see the data appear. You'll start off in Power BI. If you don't have it open in your browser already, you can go to app.powerbi.com and sign in with the username that you set up earlier. Over here, if you expand My Workspace, you can click Add New and select Streaming Dataset. Over here, if you click on this one called API, select Next. Here we're creating what's called a streaming dataset. By creating a streaming dataset, we'll be able to collect all those survey responses that we're getting. Over here, we'll create a name for our dataset. We can just name it the same thing as our survey, which is Favorite Colors Survey. Each option we added here is going to link back to one of these questions that we had on our form. On this form we created earlier, we only had one question on there. So over here, I'm going to add in a value here, favorite color. And I'll keep that as text. If I did have any questions on my survey, which asked for a date response from someone, I could select date instead. Or if it was a number, I could select number here. If you did add any more questions on your form, just simply create a new value for it here and switch on historic data analysis. Once that's all done, you can click Create. Then Done. Our dataset is now created in Power BI. For the second part of this, we'll be heading over into Power Automate to create a flow. This flow is going to connect up to this dataset that we have, so that as people submit their response, we can see it appear in our dataset. We'll open up Power Automate. You can click on this button at the side here and go to all of your apps, found Power Automate in the list. Click on the three dots and open it in a new tab. You may need to select your country to go to the next part. And click Get Started. To create our flow, we'll head over to My Flows. Click plus New Flow, and we want here an automated cloud flow. You can pick the name of it. Let's call this Favorite Colors Survey. And for your trigger, we want the one from Microsoft Forms. So type in Forms, and you should see this option when a new response is submitted, Microsoft Forms. Select that and click Create. Once this is ready, we can pick our form from this list. You should see the form you created earlier appear here. We'll then add in a new step. Type in Microsoft Forms or Forms, select it, and select this one that says Get Response Details. Once again, for the form ID, we'll select our Favorite Colors Survey. Now over here in the response ID, if we click in this field here, you can see we have this pop-up appear. We call this dynamic content, and we'll select this one called Response ID. That means in this flow we're creating, it's going to go and collect the information that was submitted with this survey response. Lastly, we'll add in a new step. This time we'll look for Power BI. We'll select Power BI and we'll add this one called Add Rows to a Dataset. For our workspace, we'll select My Workspace. Dataset, select the name of the dataset we just created earlier in Power BI. Our one was called Favorite Colors Survey. Then for your table, select the one called Real-Time Data. Once you do that, you'll see all of those questions or those values that we created earlier in our dataset appear down the side here. Over here, we're going to add in some dynamic content for that form response or that survey response that we had. At the side here, you're going to see all of those questions that we had on our survey. Like we had the one, what is your favorite color? So next to our favorite color over here, we'll press what is your favorite color? Once we're done, we can hit save and our flow is now complete. At this point, you can share your survey with other people. When they go and they fill out your survey, we'll be able to see these results in Power BI. In the next part, we'll be building a report where we can visualize these results. As new results come through, we will also see our data refresh.